Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today is the first day of Vlogmas. I have never celebrated Vlogmas on this channel before, and so this is gonna be something crazy, guys. For 30 days, counting down to Christmas, we're gonna do 30 Christmas themed videos. As though I don't work enough, let's just add something else to the editing pile. But Vlogmas Day 1, today we're gonna do the first thing that I always do every holiday season. We're gonna get in the car, we're gonna go and prep by getting some of the things that we need, and then we're going to have a movie marathon because I like to count down my Christmas starting with movies. It just gets me in the theme and then I'm ready to go. So today we're gonna head to the store and start off Vlogmas Day 1 and go. I'm pretty sure this is what Christmas is going to look like too in Texas. It's brown. I have a great co-pilot of the day, don't you think? Yeah, he's going to tell me how to get to the right store so we can get all the magical things. Because we need all the magical things for Christmas. Because Christmas isn't Christmas without magic, right?
Magic Santa, where do I go?
What's that? Okay, you'll have to give me directions though. Okay, we made it. It's time. We're gonna go inside. We are at the Dollar Tree because Secret Santa over here said that there are some awesome Christmas hacks that can come from Dollar Tree. So I thought while we're here, we'll just pick up some snacks for our movie time later. It's a perfect place to get inexpensive snacks, just so you know. And yeah, we'll see what else is in here. So let's go shopping! Okay, I just already started purchasing things and I forgot completely that I have a list. Let's try to stick to the list. Christmas is the time when everything looks good, so let's stick to the list. Ooh, we can definitely make a craft out of these. Oh my goodness, so many options. And look at this, all of these beautiful glitters. Oh, I'm overwhelmed. Definitely will be using this. Always all about wrapping. Oh, the cart's getting full fast. We've been in here forever and this aisle is blocked. I'm usually not the person to like sit there and call it out, but literally I've been in here an hour and they're not even working on it. $68 later. It's 68 individual items. This is why we came to Dollar Tree. Okay, we put the cart up. Let's go. I'm so tired after that. Christmas shopping is hard. It appears our little Santa friend was onto something when he suggested we go to Dollar Tree. I mean, he must have. We got 68 items. Oh, okay. But I will say that if we would have picked up those same items at Walmart or Target or some other place that I really like to shop, we would have spent way more than $68. It's time now to get home and watch our Christmas movie marathon! The worst part of this adventure is going to be getting out of the parking lot though. This place is crazy and it's not even like super close to Christmas yet. We're still like way far in advance. This is definitely a hat off situation. We need to be fully focused. No extra weight. Now, surprisingly, that wasn't as bad as it usually is. I am absolutely in shock. And it's like noon, so I'm super confused. We've returned, and now it's time to take all of this stuff inside. There's so much stuff. I think I went a little overboard.
It's cold outside.
Oh my goodness, guys, I went a little crazy. This is all the stuff that we just picked up. Oh wow. And we're back. So much more comfortable for movies. I can't wait, guys. It's about to be so much fun. Vlogmas Day 1 is going to kick off with a full movie marathon. And after all that shopping, I think we could use a little couch time. But I wanted to show you one of my little Christmas hacks real quick. Well, you can use this for any day of the week, any kind of movie that you're wanting to watch. It'll help you not have to get off the couch quite as often for snacks. We're gonna be making a snack pack, a DIY snack pack. I can't wait. Let me show you what you're gonna need and we'll get right to that. While I was at the dollar store stressing and struggling with all of the holiday, I actually found these little guys right here. Now, if you've ever been to Dollar Tree, everything there is $1, just $1. Sometimes you can even find things that are a little bit less, but typically things are $1. So these were a great find. I can use these for all sorts of things around my house. I like these because a lot of times you can get so many different functions out of a single basket. You can put your cleaning supplies in it. You can put your bathroom supplies in it. You can even use these for like your coffee station. But today we're going to be using them for a movie hack. We're going to turn these two little containers right here into amazing movie snack holders. Okay, since we have our container, what all are we going to put in it? Well, I'm glad you asked. We have a lot of things that we could do here. Let's get down to business. This is gonna take a little bit of work and it is subject to what you at home like, but these are some ideas. We're gonna start off definitely with a drink. You're always going to want a drink because let's face it, if you're watching hours upon hours of Christmas movies, you're going to get thirsty. So I have two options. Both of these were picked up at the Dollar Tree. We have a nice little option here for your cold drinks or one for your hot drinks. I personally like this one because, well, it says sleigh all day. We put this right into our first little cubby right here. Perfect for a drink holder, don't you think? Next up, we always are going to want to have popcorn because it's a movie marathon. So I found these little containers at the Dollar Tree, 2 for $1. This is perfect. Now I have 2 separate containers that I can place into my little movie tray, either in the front or in the back. Now we can set up all of our happy holiday popcorn time. I have a couple of options for you. The first one I picked up was the white cheddar popcorn, my personal favorite. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it into these popcorn containers. But wait, I do have a different option if you're not a white cheddar fan. I found Cracker Jacks. One of my favorite things to do during the holidays whenever I watch movies is just to sit back and just binge watch every one of my favorites. So I have created a list of 15 of my favorite movies and I'm going to introduce you to all of those. Now everybody has that one special movie moment that is iconic to them, so no two people have the exact same memories of the exact same movies. So that's why I feel like getting together with friends or just enjoying a binge watch of your own is a perfect way to kick off the holidays. Now everyone likes different snacks, and because of that, no two people again are going to put the same things in their container. However, for today, I picked up just a few of my favorite snacks. Now for me, cotton candy has such fond memories because I remember going to see Home Alone at a drive-in theater and eating so much cotton candy to the point that it almost, well, it did make me sick. So whenever I get back together with my Christmas movies, I definitely think about cotton candy and that wonderful memory that I had. Lucky for me, I found some at the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, that is the basics of creating your own DIY movie binge watching kit so that you don't have to get off the couch to get all of your snacks. You can literally put everything you might be thinking you want into this, little bags of chips, crackers, anything. I'm a snackaholic.
Chris Hayes on the beat.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas.
Starring Buddy Hackett, Jamie Farr, the Solid Gold Dancers, and Mary Lou Retton as Tiny Tim. Hosted by Sir John Houseman. Scrooge. It will touch your every heartstring. That's right. It all starts on Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve on IBC. You'll love it.
Oh my gosh. Does that suck?
I think the milk's a little sour.
It's soy milk.
Huh?
You said you're lactose intolerant.
Partners with a shrewd moneylender named Ebenezer Scrooge. You will meet him as he comes around that.
Wind blows, it chills you to the bone.
But there's nothing in nature that freezes your heart like years of being alone.
It paints you with indifference like a lady paints with rouge.
Stop, Uncle Fred! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Susie! Susie! Susie, where are you going?
Did not. The Grinch hated Christmas, the whole Christmas season. Now, please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason. It could be, perhaps, that his shoes were too tight.
I'm up here, you morons! Come and get me!
Why are you smiling like that?
I just like to smile. Smiling's my favorite.
Make work your favorite. That's your favorite, okay?
Okay.
Work is your new favorite.
Fine.
It's time for the announcement. Okay, people, tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town.
Santa! Oh my God!
I think there must be something wrong with me, Linus. Christmas is coming, but I'm not happy. I don't feel the way I'm supposed to feel. I just don't understand Christmas, I guess.
The distance. They look like the lights of a strange ocean liner sailing on a frozen sea. There is the North Pole.
On the beat.
George, darling, where are you? George, darling, where are you? Oh, George, George. George. Let me touch you. Are you real? George. Well, you have no idea what's happened to me. I have no idea what happened. Well, come on, George, come on down.
Frosty, we're all waiting for you. Happy birthday!
Frosty, so he's a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day.
Honey, I think I know what's wrong.
My God, will you look at that mess?
Who's gonna clean the papers up?
Not me.
Oh, no?
No.
Randy did it last year.
Well, he can do it again.
You know, this wine's not bad. Well, it's not good either, but you want a sip?
No, you don't.
Monster of the North strikes again.
It's my nose. It keeps giving us away.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's episode. There's 29 more where that came from. Merry Christmas and Happy Vlogmas!